how to change order of tracks on SoundCloud. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can change order of tracks on SoundCloud. To do this is very simple. Like I usually say, just follow along. First of all, log in into your SoundCloud account. Once you're logged in on the SoundCloud page, you would see some icons by the top left corner showing home, feed, library. Move to the right side of the screen and click on your profile icon. And clicking on your profile icon, on the drop down menu, select playlist and then select the playlist whose order of tracks you would like to change. Once you're in the playlist, you'll see the header, the image, scroll down, and you also see the tracks displayed here. Just below the header field, you'll see options like share, copy link, edit, unlike, etc. To click on the edit button. In the box displayed, select tracks, and all of your tracks will be displayed here. Then all you need to do is to long press on the track that you would like to change its order, then move it ahead or below the track where you want it to be. Just place it at the location you want it to be. Leave it that way, and then just like that, the order would change. You can do this as many times as possible. All right, just keep changing and changing the order of all of the tracks. And once you're done, in the mini box, click Save Changes, and the order would be changed. So this is how to do it. It is very simple. And sure you try it out. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.